two wooden 12-inch rolling pins that I want to use for candlesticks. I don't want them to be the exact same height. I want to cut a little bit off, just make one just a little shorter, so I'll probably cut it to about here, then come back and I'm going to glue it to one of these terracotta saucers. I want to add some beads around my candlestick holders, and I have two different types of wooden beads that I found at Dollar Tree. Most recently, these cubed beads, and I'm not sure if I want to use those or the regular round beads. I'm just going to take some out and place them around the base to see how I like the way they look. And I prefer the look of the round beads, so I think I'll save these cube beads for another project. And I'm using Gorilla Clear Grip glue to secure the wooden beads to the terracotta saucer. And once my base beads were completed, I added more clear grip glue to the top of my wooden rolling pin so that I could secure a saucer to the top, which would end up holding my candle. Okay, these are dry, the beads are dry, so I'm going to flip these over and apply beads at the base. I'm going to probably do the larger beads going around the base of each of these. And then go up maybe 2 inches and put some smaller beads right around here for both. And I decided to use an alternating pattern for this underside of the saucer. I added extra wood glue just to make sure that all the beads were secure. I used wood filler for the top of the beads just to give it a more finished look. I added a bit of white paint to the top of the beads, and now it's time to move on to my second and third colors, which will be khaki and antique white, just to add a bit of faux aging to the candlestick holders. I love how these candle holders turned out. It was the right choice not to use the cube beads for these. These round beads were such a nice addition to these candle holders.